Good evening. I'm just going to continue simplifying some trig expressions here. And let's just start by switching the bottom from secant squared x into 1 over cos squared x. So I have a fraction over a fraction here. The top of the fraction, or the numerator, it's going to remain the same for now. And here at the bottom, whenever you're dividing a number by a fraction or a fraction by a fraction, you can actually basically multiply by the reciprocal, and the reciprocal of 1 over cos squared x is just going to be cos squared x over 1. So 1 times anything is just itself, so the 1's are going to be gone anyways. So the whole thing is just 1 minus sine x over cos squared x. You know, theoretically we could leave it at that. However, I'll just show you guys something interesting. You must recall that sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. So cos squared x, if I rearrange the equation here, I don't have much room to do that, but hopefully everyone can follow. If I rearrange this and throw the sine squared x to the right side of the equation, making it minus sine squared x, cos squared x is equivalent to 1 minus sine squared x. So that's what I'm going to write on the bottom actually. Just replacing the cos squared x. And now, why did I do that? Because I can factor the bottom of the fraction and make it 1 plus sine x over 1 minus sine x. How did that happen? Simple. This is basically exactly like a difference of squares such as x squared minus y squared, which simplifies into x plus y times x minus y. If you'd like, check it out. You can expand 1 plus sine x times 1 minus sine x. Foil it up, and you'll see that it will give you 1 minus sine squared x. So, can we do anything else here? Of course. We can actually cancel out the 1 minus sine x with the 1 minus sine x, and just leave a 1 up top. So the whole thing is just equivalent to 1 over 1 plus sine x. Hopefully that made sense. And we got more questions, similar questions down here at this website.